Hey guys, it is around 1 a.m. on November the 17th, 2022. I had someone comment wanting to have an update on my Palma BioGreen greenhouse heaters to see how they're doing in more colder temperatures. It's currently about 40 degrees on the outside. I have the thermostats on the heaters set at about 75 on the inside here, and currently thermostats are reading anywhere from 70 to 72 degrees. The heaters are actually running right now. You can see the fan motor moving. Extremely quiet if you listen. I have the settings set on 8 on this one. Goes all the way up to 10. This thermostat is reading at 72 right now. I do have it set to 75, so it will heat up to 75 and then kick off. And the sensor for this heater is located here towards the middle of the greenhouse. It's about chest high and getting a reading right there at 72 degrees with that heater back over there. Like I said, I do have 2 heaters in this greenhouse. Second heater back on this end, also set on 8, is also currently running. The thermostat on this one also set on 75, currently reading 71 degrees. The sensor for this one is back a little bit back here above my plumeria, just under chest high. So overall, 40 degrees on the outside. Thermostats on these set at 75. They're currently running anywhere from 70 to 72. I do have this little remote sensor. So I have a little remote dial from in the house. Top temperature is what the temperature in the greenhouse is showing. So it is 71 degrees. And on my manual thermometers, 71 degrees. And 71 degrees. Roughly a 30-degree difference from the inside of the greenhouse to the outside. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. I'll try to address them or do a video for you. Thank you again for watching.